Just like when it comes to adding and subtracting and multiplying, when we divide one mixed number by another mixed number, guys, the key is going to be to firstly write them as regular improper fractions, then to do our division, and then if we need to convert back into a mixed number. Luckily, in this question, they ask us to give our answer as a fraction, so that final conversion is not going to be necessary. So step number one, we're going to be writing this as an improper fraction. We have 4 2/3. So we're going to do 4 times by our 3. That is going to give us 12, and then we're going to add our 2 from our numerator. 12 plus 2 is 14. So we have 14 over, and then our 3. Next up, we copy down our divide by, and then we have 2 1/5. 2 times by 5 gives us 10, and then 10 plus 1 is going to give us 11. So we have divide by 11 over 5. Next step, we're going to do our 14 over 3 divided by our 11 over 5. Now, guys, how do we divide one fraction by another? We use the method copy, swap, flip. In other words, keep, flip, change, KFC. So I'm going to use copy, swap, flip, or I'm just going to call it copy, swap, flip. They're actually the same method. So copy down our first one. We're going to have 14 over 3. We're going to swap our divide for a times, so we have times by, and then we're going to flip our final fraction. 11 over 5 is going to become 5 over 11. Final step, guys, this is going to be to do our multiplication. So we're going to do our top times by our top. 14 times by 5 is going to be 70. And then we're going to do our bottom times by our bottom. 3 times by 11 is going to be 33. Now, I don't want to block that with my head on the vertical video. Hopefully you guys can see over there. So 70 over 33, that is going to be our final answer. Any common factors to simplify? 11, 3, neither of them work. Neither does 1, because we can't divide by 1 when it's a fraction. Neither does 33. So that is going to be our final answer, guys, 70 over 33. What did we do? We converted our mixed numbers into improper fractions, and then we did the division of our fractions using copy, swap, flip.